Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor and today's my video topic is encapsulation in Java. This encapsulation is one of the four fundamental concepts of object-oriented programming. The other three concepts are inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. The definition of this encapsulation is it is a uh, mechanism of wrapping up the data and the code which manipulates this data into the single class. Uh, in the simple terminology, this encapsulation means we are keeping the variables and the methods which are manipulating this variable into one single class separately. It is called as a wrap because it provides the protection of protective wrapping over this class, which prevents this attributes of this class to be used outside of this class. So the access of the all the variables, methods and attributes to this class are tightly controlled through well-defined interface. Now let's look at one real-time example of this encapsulation. Consider the automatic transmission system of a car. So it encapsulates the hundreds of bit of information like information of engine, how much you are accelerating, or the gear shift lever position. On the other hand, you as a user have only one method which affects this complex encapsulation, and that is the gear shift lever. So this gear shift lever is like an interface to this transmission. It only affects the transmission part. It does not affect the other objects of a class, like it does not turn on the headlight or it does not turn on the wiper. And also the implementation of this transmission or this interface is restricted to the vehicle only. Even user can't see what is the implementation of this interface, and exactly the same idea can be used on the programming. Now let's see what is the advantages of the encapsulation along with the Java example. The first advantage is the data hiding. So one of the primary objective of creating this encapsulation is the data hiding or providing the security to the variables or the security to the variables or classes. Now, this security or data hiding is achieved by making the all variables or methods or attributes of this class as a private. So, since the method will be private, it cannot be accessed outside of this class. For this, let's consider we create one class demo. Inside this class, we created three variables as a string name, int marks, and int roll number, and we have to make all the variable as a private so that it cannot be accessed. Then second advantage is improved flexibility. So we can make the variables of this class to only read only or write only as per our requirement. So to achieve this, encapsulation provides two methods, that are get method and set method. This is also known as a getter and setter. So this get method, through this get method we can achieve the read only limitations to on the variable, and through this set method we can achieve only write only limitations on this limitation on this variable. uh, the code written for this getting the information of a variable and uh, manipulating this variable is written inside this get and set method. Now continuing with our previous example, in the demo class 2, we have to create six get methods and three get methods and three set method for the each variable. So for the name we have to create one get method, that is get name, and this will return the value of this name. And we have to create one set method which will instantiate this local variable. So this set method will receive one name as a parameter, and it will set that parameter to this local variable. But to achieve this we have to make the get and set method as a public. Now the next advantage is the code reusability. So it improves the reusability, and also it is easy to change with the new requirements. The next advantage is the testing. So the encapsulated code is very easy to test as a single unit. Also, the last advantage of this encapsulation is it is easy to implement because various standard IDEs like Eclipse provides the feature to generate these getters and setters automatically, and through this the efficiency of a programmer is improved, and it can be the encapsulation can be used without error. And that's it with the encapsulation in Java. Thank you.